I need some better tools. I also need an actual leather sewing machine because I can't keep hand stitching like this. My fingers are so sore. Okay, I finished stitching the side to the front and the back. Definitely not the most fun part of this process, but I'm glad it's over. And now, let's see how it looks. I'm always scared doing this part because there have been times where it just looks like a complete mess. And it's super demotivating to have to redo all of that when your thumbs are just dying from all the hand stitching. Hopefully this one looks good. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to mess around with it a bit more, but I'm pretty happy. I feel like that otter meme that's like, I made this. I was gonna keep going because I still have to do the structure, the foam, and the stiffener for this part, but it's 11 and I'm pretty tired, so I'm just gonna call it a night. Alexa, turn off the lights. Hey guys, it's the next day. I just quit my job and I made this foam piece that I reinforced with the stiffener, and then I'm gonna put it inside the bag, situate it in here, and carry on with the rest of the bag. I'm ready to do the liner now, and I'm trying to decide between this one or this one. I like this one more, but I have more of this one. I actually got both of them in Amsterdam, and whenever I get fabrics overseas, I have a really hard time actually using it because I feel like I have to be super careful and like make sure I use it on something really special, which is why I want to use this one because I have more, but I think it looks a lot better with this one, and I really want to make this bag nice for myself, so I think I'm just gonna go with this one. Okay, I finally did it. That took me like an embarrassing 2 hours to sew 2 lines, and it looks so bad. I don't know why I'm so bad at using the sewing machine. Maybe I shouldn't get a leather sewing machine.